are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. So all November has been fun. We've been doing chili every Friday. We have 2 more to go. So I'm going to tell you what they are. This one is the Carnivore seafood chili. Next week is going to be a meat chili, which is also carnivore friendly. So let me go over some of the ingredients because we've talked about this and talked about this. We wanted to make sure that however we cook this, the seafood wouldn't become mush. So we think we've come up with a plan. We'll see. We've never done this before. But this is Carnivore seafood chili. All right, let's start over here. Got the bone broth, got the fish sauce, all of our seasonings. We are doing cinnamon again. This was all created by us, by the way. We do not have a recipe, so we'll have to write this all down for you. And it will be down in the description box down below. Got some garlic, got some onion powder, some cinnamon, I think oregano, Italian seasoning, which is probably oregano and basil and maybe rosemary. Got some chili powder. We've got heavy whipping cream. We've got black garlic salt. We got butter, calamari, shrimp, tilapia. And then in this can right here, we got the crab meat. It's the crab meat out of claws, which is amazing. And I think that's it. Oh, that's right. So this is a big experiment. This is gelatin. We're allowed to use gelatin. We're probably just going to put 1 packet in. We're using it as a thickening agent. We don't know if it's going to work. Have no idea. Never tried it. You're going to see it first time here on the show. And I think that's it. Okay, guys. So, can't remember if I've told you I was using the Red Boat fish sauce, but this stuff's really good. If you've never purchased it, you can get it on Amazon. So we're going to sprinkle the fish with the black garlic. So I'm just going to grab a pinch. Each fish is going to get a pinch of garlic. Okay, and I'm going to stick all my seasoning again in one bowl. Chili powder, of course, because we're doing chili. So let's pop that in there. There we go. Maybe a little more. Okay. Little minced garlic. What is this, minced onion? Yep, minced onion. Italian seasoning. Little bit of cinnamon. And I think that's it. Oh, and salt and pepper. I got the grinder. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the stove and cook up all of our chili in a stock pot. But we're first going to, this is going to be confusing. Let me explain. This is going to be the base. So we're going to cook these. Then we're going to put the chili on top of these in a bowl. Okay? So you got a piece of fish topped with seafood chili. All right, so logically, I thought we would cook the calamari and shrimp first in a little bit of butter. So we'll melt some butter in here. Oops. Splashed a whole bunch on my shirt here. Tammy's like, hey, do you want an apron? I'm like, nah, unless I get butter on my shirt. No need for it. But too late now. Okay. So we'll leave this in for a few minutes. I'm going to put it all in. Throw that in. A lot of seafood. Now we're going to do some chicken broth. A little whipping cream. A little bit of this red boat fish sauce. And the big test, the gelatin packet, put that in there. Seasoning, crab, shrimp, calamari. Everything's in there. So now we're going to let this simmer. We're going to put the fish, tilapia fillets in the oven. Get those fully cooked on the cookie sheet because they're going to be the base of our stuff. All right, guys. Almost all done. Tilapia is almost to temperature. I just want to talk about this. This would be great with like that crusty hard bread you get from Panera. Crusty bread, oyster crackers, whatever works for you. Cornbread. You could get a bowl of this and break up some cornbread. Look at this. That looks amazing. It smells amazing. So we're waiting for it to get all finished. I'm really impressed. I think we did a great job. And by the way, the gelatin worked good so far. It's got a good consistency. Not as thick as I'd like, but I guarantee this stays the night in the refrigerator. It'll thicken. Man, so much seafood. Beautiful. All right, guys, got our 2 tilapia fillets right in the base. This smells so good, guys. I've been mixing it and looking at it. Beautiful. I'm going to top it like that. I don't even think I want to do more than that. Well, maybe a little bit broth. A little bit more. There we go. Okay. So if you got like Parmesan cheese, crusty bread, you could really dress this up. It's all whatever your pleasure is. More greens on top, I even leave some mint. That'd be kind of cool. So, but me, I'm just eating, this is seafood. So I'm going to take a little sample of the broth first because I want to see how that came together with all the seasoning. Okay, so during the show I say that's a home run recipe. Usually means I'm surprised. Okay? Very surprised. I didn't think it would come out this good. The broth alone is amazing. Let's see how the shrimp tastes. Mm-hmm. Well, I know what I'm having for dinner. So rich. You can do this with clams, mussels, oysters. Make it your recipe. Use the seafood you like. Try this out. I promise you will love this. This is mind blowing. All right. Next week, straight carnivore. It's a meat chili. Getting real excited for the holidays. I will see you then.